Previously on Sailing Doodles, we made it to Thailand, introduced you to the new crew, got a first look at the new boat, and did some provisioning. In this episode, we finally set sail in beautiful Thailand. Registration is now open for the Sailing Doodles flotilla March 10th through the 17th. Currently, the registration is only open to our patrons, but it'll be made public in just a few days. On the southern end of Koh Chang is Salak Pet. It's the charter base for Island Spirit Group and the home of the boat we'd be sailing for the next few weeks. It's an Island Spirit 410. The base crew is helping us get off the dock, and then we'd be on our own. All right, you excited?
I'm excited. I'm very excited.
So what they're gonna do is this monohull they gotta take back to the mooring over here. So basically they're just gonna sail the monohull out to us. They're gonna jump off onto the monohull and we're gonna continue on our own. So, and then they're gonna go more of the monohull over there. It's Catalina. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye guys. Bye. We are alone in the dark.
All right guys, let's get on our way. Let's do this. Unfortunately, there wasn't much wind that day, but the girls were still having fun. Feels good to be back on a boat. Feels good, especially Catamaran. It's such a nice, it's such a nice ride. It really is. It's so stable. It's just, I know there's the big debate, Catamaran or monohull. For me, Catamaran's the way to go. I'm just sorry. If you're a purist out there, I'm sorry. I hate if I lose your respect, that you think I'm a pansy for wanting a mono or Catamaran, but it's so comfortable. Really, it is. It really was a comfortable ride as we headed south on flat water. So as it happens, that's the way it is in sailing. We're headed south, we want to go south, and the wind is out of the south. So I don't know how much sailing we're gonna get in today. Hopefully tomorrow we can do some sailing. We're not gonna go very far tomorrow too, but so the plan is we're gonna head out of here, Koh Chang, and we're gonna head south down to Koh Mak. Beautiful beaches, probably the most beautiful sunset I've ever seen was there. So we are headed that way. It was only an hour and a half, 10-mile run to Koh Mak. In my opinion, Koh Mak is one of the most beautiful islands down there, and I was excited to be back. How you doing?
I'm good. I was always very afraid of swimming, and especially swimming where I can stand, and I was just trying it and it went actually pretty well, although I still feel the adrenaline going through my body, but I liked it actually. Hopefully at the end of this trip, sailing trip, I will be like a mermaid like her.
This is Koh Mak. This is the north side of Koh Mak. The wind's pretty light. We didn't get to sail today. I can already feel the... you're not sailing. Well, sailing, and there's a difference between cruising and sailing. Sailing, yes, you're under the wind power and you're going. Cruising, if you want to go somewhere, you don't always get the right wind. So we did the best we could. We had to motor here because there was no wind all day. But we're here. And that's part of the fun. How do you think? How was your first sail?
So good. I fell asleep in the front of the boat and was amazing. And this swimming too.
Yeah, of course. And yourself?
Yeah, I loved it. It's like another way of feeling super free. Like you can go anywhere you want and you're not dependent on roads or whatever, so it was perfect. And with the music as well. Yeah, loved it.
All right, so we are just gonna kind of chill for a little bit and then go to pier over there, go find some lunch, dinner, whatever it is. Should be a good time, so. We will give you a boat tour tomorrow. Kind of running late in the day already. I think some of the new crew still had some energy to work off. It's a bit dark, but we're heading ashore. Gonna go explore.
Get some food in our belly.
Adult beverages.
I'm going to dinner.
There are so many beautiful resorts and restaurants in Thailand, and you'll never have time to see them all. Successful day of sailing. We made it. We had a good time. All you guys had a good time today.
Yes,
Definitely.
definitely.
Yeah.
So, thank you guys for tuning in to this episode. We're gonna start doing these a little more often now. We're gonna do like every other day. We're gonna have an episode, so it's gonna be like a start to finish day. So tune into that. Hopefully you like it. Please click that subscribe button and the like thumbs up stuff. We really appreciate it. So we'll see you on the next episode. Thank you. This is a list of the boats we currently have signed up for the Sailing Doodles flotilla. Right now our patrons get first dibs, but we'll be opening it up to the public in just a few days. We really want to thank our patrons for making this whole thing possible. And also a big thank you to Group Island Spirit for providing the boat we are currently sailing.